Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY project on these glass curio cabinets. I showed you guys these cabinets and told you all about them in my living room tour video, so check that video out when you get a chance. I'm excited to do this project and I hope that it turns out the way that I'm envisioning it in my mind, but I'm going to paint the trim of the doors black and I think it's going to be really awesome. My inspiration for this is the Aris cabinet on Ballard Design's website. Now this cabinet is almost $3,000, so I definitely won't be purchasing that, but I will, however, be doing a dupe for it. And I personally think mine is going to look better. So stick around and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, everybody, so I have just finished the first one and OMG, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm getting ready to start on this one. That was a very, very tedious process. I'm so glad that I purchased those sponge brushes because the cracks and the crevices, it would have been much easier to take the doors off and paint them, but I didn't want to do all that. So a lot of taping had to take place and a lot of slow stroke movement with the sponge brush. But this is the first one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so geeked right now. Oh, okay, so this is gonna be amazing. All right, let me get to the next one. these turned out beautifully. Oh my goodness. And as always, the video does no justice. It never does. It's just so sad. But aren't these gorgeous? Look how high end they look. The difference in just painting the doors black. Oh my God, it made all the difference in the world. Now, I do have a few touch-ups to do on the doors after taking the tape and everything off, but you know, that's to be expected. But yes, oh my goodness, I love them so much. Oh, I can't even believe how good they turned out. I mean, and I went ahead and put everything inside of them because it takes me a long time to figure out how I want things to be styled. So there was no way that I could record that. Maybe I'll get better at that eventually, but for right now, this is it. And so you guys can see it's like a flat, it's kind of like a flat paint. And it just, yeah, but you can see where I have some touch-ups to do here. Little touch-ups here. When I tell you I am just completely blown away at how beautiful these are. And if you happen to miss the paint color earlier in the video, it's Blacktop by Benjamin Moore. And it might be like a satin finish or maybe like an eggshell. And it's just perfect. I didn't want to get black because I wanted it to be black, but I didn't want it to be like jet black. So I think this is perfect. I love it. It frames the dining room out perfectly. You see the zebra picture there, and it's just so beautiful. I'm very proud of myself for going ahead and taking the bold leap and not being afraid to do it. I hope this inspires you to take a bold leap as well. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.